Hello friends, in this video I will show how to check speed of bus. So download and install this application in your Android device, Speedometer GPS. It's a very useful and popular application to check speed for particular thing. You can check speed for bus, train or anything what you want to check. Just download and install, then open it. Give the permission to use your location. Accept. So here you can see the speed for and also here you will see the duration and distance, start time, maximum speed, average speed. So all things what you need here, and it will give the best result to you. Once you move the speedily. So thanks for watching and comment what's your experience for this application. I'm using on Windows, but this is the proper application for Android device. So download, install and use it and give your experience via comment. Thanks for watching.